Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value. First of all, we can see the price movement on a Monday, a strong bearish candle. Then the price has continued to rise in value, going above 31.21, reaching the second resistance level at 32.09. From here, the price has bounced a little bit back down, continued to rise in value above this resistance level, reaching 32.708, but then creating a bearish pin bar. Then the price continued to fall down on a Friday, we can see, with the bearish candle reaching almost this area of demand zone around 31.21. Week has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that with the large wicks on the upper side and on the lower side, where the price is bouncing from the resistance area and from the support level. A month has closed as a bullish. We can see that after the price has formed several bearish candles, the price formed this bullish candle. We can see that this was a small trend which has been broken with this candle this month, which is suggesting further rise in value. Now this is the monthly bullish breakout, so I'm expecting there is a room that the price returns back below to 30.597 and from there continue to rise in value. But we'll see what happens on the lower time frames. Week has been confirmed as a bullish one, continue to rise in value, so it is in between the support and the resistance levels. The daily shows me that there is one support level before 30.597, so there is a chance that the price returns back down again here next week and then bounce back up, continue to rise in value. But also there is a chance that the price goes below that, reaching 30.597. What will happen? We'll see what the price behaves. What makes around this support level or this resistance. So first of all, in this case, I would like to wait until the price make a clean bearish or bullish breakout, and that means going above or going below this area. If it makes breakout, I will follow the trend and continue to fall to the next resistance or to the next support level. Now, how to create this area of support and the resistance level and also the supply and demand zones, I'm sharing a free PDF with you. If you would like to check that, check the link below in the description, so you can also get free PDF in your email. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.